In marketing, new ideas and new trends develop almost every day, and they can affect the ways in which we connect with our clients. We need to always keep updating and implementing the strategies according to the changes that are happening in the market. So are you looking for some new ways through which you can attract customers and grow your business online? Then digital advertising can be your answer. Hi everyone, this is Shiv Gupta, and today in this video we are going to discuss what advertising strategies you can go for that is related to trends which are about to come in 2023 and years. Number one strategy is interactive content. You guys know that social media is growing at a fast pace and is also connecting the users with the brands on some new level. And that is why the idea of what it means to have a relationship with the brand is evolving day by day. And yes, customers do want to interact with you on a more personal level. But people are also looking for content experiences that basically can go beyond just traditional text, no matter how snappy that text might be. That is why interactive content has been one of the fastest growing trends in the marketing for a while now, and you can expect this to continue into 2023 as well. It can help you to stay ahead of the curve with creative, immersive marketing materials that invite your audience to become part of the experience. The example can be 360-degree virtual reality videos and 3D images. 3D images always make us curious. For example, this one is an image of a tunnel pole. It feels like we can go inside from one side and come out the other, and vice versa. Helpful tools like interactive calculators, augmented reality materials, polls, quizzes, and questionnaires. In fact, it is worth noting that interactive content receives 2 times more engagement than static content. Content types like the above examples offer the customers some type of personal connection, engagement, and freshness that they want in the branded content they consume. The interactive content sees a 94% higher increase in engagement than the static content. Let's take an example of a poll that was made by Costa Coffee. They asked the people through Twitter if they should bring one of the following drinks back on their menu, and if yes, which one. And their drink, salted caramel coffee, won the poll by 38.1%. Now, number 2 on the list is optimize for mobile. We all love our phones. Everybody uses smartphone nowadays. Typically, users are spending more than 5 hours per day, and it has become the go-to source for managing day-to-day life. Do you know that according to Tech Jury, 80% of searches occur on mobile devices? So make sure your website is mobile optimized. I have a tip for you as well. You can add mobile devices aspect into your content strategies and stay updated with the new trends and features while optimizing or making your website mobile friendly. Now, coming to strategy number 3, boost results with AI and automation. The new technology is what has made people intrigued and curious. It saves time, and in less time period you can do more work. How amazing is that? And this new technology that you all must be aware of is AI, artificial intelligence. You can make use of artificial intelligence to optimize your long tail keywords, which is hard to do with rule-based automation or poorly developed AI tools. Here's how AI and automation are helpful in marketing. A/B ad testing. Automated and smart bidding strategies for keywords, ad performance based on quality score, including ad relevance and CTR estimates, and bid recommendations to achieve maximum traffic. Let's take an example of A/B ad testing. Like here on the screen, you can see that just by making a few changes in the control ad, the variation ad got an uplift of 12%. That means that the audience liked the variation ad more and it changes more as compared to the previous version. AI does a great job in analyzing the data and efficiently supporting how automation works to manage your accounts. Many advertisers benefit from AI and automation to improve strategies to optimize a better performance such as click-through rate, bids, and targeting. Now, number 4 on the list is include video ads. Globally, approximately 665 billion households own a smart TV, which equates to 34% of total households. With more people staying home in the pandemic situation, it has become their go-to source for entertainment, especially with YouTube at number 1 on the list. Basically, what I'm trying to say is you can create video advertisement content to promote your brand on the internet. This is done so that advertising campaigns can be displayed on various stream platforms. For example, YouTube is booming with a large number of people hooking onto it and watching videos. You can too create your own channel on YouTube and advertise it in other platforms like Instagram, on which you just have to add a link to your video in the bio. Another example, McDonald's took a unique way of advertising itself and posted this photo on its social media platform. Number 5. Consider voice assistants. Alexa, Cortana, Siri and Google Assistant. I am sure you use at least one of these voice assistants to perform various searches from your smartphones, laptops, smart devices or TV. Speaking comes more naturally and effortlessly as compared to typing. This is why today we are using assistants for voice searches that are typing in the browser. For example, people can ask the voice assistants several questions. Like here, people ask several questions to Alexa. This is a brilliant technological innovation that is already altering how we communicate digitally. So what you need to do is include an ad group that focuses on conversational keywords like long tail keywords and questions oriented keywords. Number 6 on the list is creator collaborations. The creator economy has been growing for a while now, but it is booming right now and it is going to only get bigger this year and in the coming years. Creators are also experts at making personal organic connections with the consumers. This means that it can be extremely crucial and beneficial for the brands to reach out to independent creators and form mutually beneficial partnerships. People find the influencers whom they follow on social media highly relatable. They are also fiercely loyal and highly likely to sit up and take notice of a favorite influencer's suggestions. Partnering with the right ones can give you priceless access to new, highly convertible audience, in addition to including influencers and creators in your ongoing marketing strategy. You will want to track of how creator culture is going to change. Remember to keep the following factors in mind when considering your collaboration plans. Expect top creators to become increasingly influential in the media world as consumers continue to shift their focus from traditional options like television to online media. More creators can continue to supplement blossoming social media presence with monetization options of their own, from launching their own website to personal blogs, apps and many more things. More creators are throwing their hats into the ring by launching brands of their own and brainstorming products relevant to their audiences. Example can be an extremely famous creator, Charlie. She collaborated with Invisalign through her TikTok account. Number 7 on the list is advertise in between games. As the COVID situation is still going on, it means that gamers are still going to invest more money online, playing video games, and are likely to be exposed to in-game ads more frequently. So if your target audience also plays video games, then you can consider showing them a variety of ads such as interstitial ads during game breaks, reward ads like win currency for mobile app consumption, banner ads that displays traditional banners shown in games. Takeaways: consumers are going to continue to become more demanding, and this is why it is best to start alternative advertising methods, conduct experiments, measure the results, and ensure that these ads work. It is essential to be aware of what trends are coming up in the future so that you can prepare for them now and stay ahead of your competitors. You need to prepare yourself and your business for future surprises and also keep these trends in mind. If you guys are having any other winning strategies, do share them in the comment section below. Now, I'll meet you in another video. Until then, keep moving forward.